Ever wonder how rich people always seem to buy the right house at the right time in the right neighborhood, while the rest of us are stuck renting tiny apartments next to a noisy chicken shop? Well, they do know a few things they're not sharing. Until now, let's expose the top 10 real estate secrets rich folks hope you never figure out. Welcome to Wealth and Walls, your guide to turning bricks in a bank. If you like real estate, money hacks, and the occasional laugh while learning, you're in the right place. Now buckle up. Secret 1 is a game changer. Secret number 1. Rich people rarely use their own money. That mansion you saw on Instagram, probably paid for with someone else's cash. The wealthy are masters of leverage, using banks, private lenders, and partnerships to buy big with little risk. Meanwhile, we're out here thinking we need to save for 30 years before buying a shed. Secret number 2. They buy before neighborhoods become cool. By the time Starbucks shows up, it's too late. Rich investors scout areas before the hype, looking at zoning laws, transit expansions, and where the new Whole Foods might land. It's like time travel, but with spreadsheets. Secret number 3. Ugly houses, beautiful profits. The rich love ugly houses. The uglier the better, like haunted by bad wallpaper ugly. Why? Because that fixer-upper comes with major discount potential. A little paint, some drywall magic, and boom, instant equity. Secret number 4. They use LLCs to hide and protect their assets. Most rich investors don't even technically own the property. Their LLC does. It's like putting on an invisibility cloak for taxes, lawsuits, and nosy neighbors. Secret number 5. They know the tax code better than your accountant. Depreciation, 1031 exchange, bonus depreciation. To us, it sounds like a bad math test. To the rich, it's a legal cheat code that lets them avoid taxes and look smart doing it. Secret number 6. They make money when they BUY, not when they sell. Rich people aren't hoping prices go up. They buy undervalued properties from start. They profit on day 1, not year 10. Meanwhile, we're over here getting excited about free blinds from the builder. Secret number 7. They let tenants pay the mortgage. Passive income isn't just a buzzword. It's the rich investor's golden goose. Buy a property, rent it out, let someone else cover the loan while you sip espresso in a robe. Yes, it's really that strategic. Secret number 8. They study the market like it's the stock market. Zillow scrolls? Please. Rich investors look at interest rates, housing demand, rental ROI, and economic indicators. They're not guessing, they're calculating. And yes, they have spreadsheets for everything. Secret number 9. They refinance strategically. They don't just refi because interest rates dropped. They do it to pull equity and buy another property. It's a legal money duplication trick. Meanwhile, we're refinancing just to afford a better microwave. Secret number 10. They're obsessed with cash flow over appreciation. Rich people don't care if the home value rises next year. They want monthly income, rent that beats expenses. Appreciation is a bonus. Cash flow is freedom. Recap. Run through the secrets. Quick recap of what the wealthy know and won't tell you. 1. Use other people's money. 2. Spot areas before they boom. 3. Ugly houses equals fat profits. 4. Use LLCs like armor. 5. Master the tax game. 6. Buy smart, profit early. 7. Let tenants pay your mortgage. 8. Study the market, not vibes. 9. Refinance with purpose. 10. Prioritize monthly cash flow. Now that you know what they know, what will you do with it? Hit that like button if you've ever scrolled Zillow at 2 a.m. with a dream. Subscribe if you're serious about turning your rent money into real assets. And drop a comment. Which secret surprised you the most?